Your Storm Team 18 forecast on News 18.
All right, there's our system taking shape to the west. It doesn't look like much now, but the cold air is bleeding in via east to east-northeast winds. The moisture streaming northward, and as this thing kind of pivots out of Colorado, the precip should start to blossom here, Kansas over to Missouri, and that's what will head our way and impact us come later on tomorrow. Again, the morning's fine. It will be generally after 1 p.m. And especially mid to late afternoon when a little sleet and some freezing rain come in, and then it will go to all freezing rain for a while, then change to rain, maybe even a little thunder, and then that tapers off later tomorrow night. Temperatures rise and we get some areas of dense fog, but we have more ice and even snow systems ahead. And after cold weather in the early half of February, there are signs of a couple big surges of spring coming still in the latter half of February. But we're in the 20s tonight. We become overcast, winds blowing out of the east to east-northeast direction. Tomorrow, we're kind of hovering near freezing. And then after 1, a little bit of sleet and freezing rain, and rain eventually go to all freezing rain with a pretty stiff east wind blowing. Then it goes to the east-southeast, and then with time tomorrow night, the temperature rises above freezing. So at that point, it goes to rain. You see 35, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow night. And then the rain pulls away after maybe a little isolated thunder. And then we have the areas of dense fog, a little drizzle, a couple showers Thursday morning. I forgot. See, I did that again. I forgot to change my date. This is Thursday. I'm going to put a Post-it note right here in the middle of my head because I've told myself 3 times to change that graphic. In every cast, it says Wednesday. Thursday it is. 46 though by midday during that day, and we get a few breaks in the clouds in the afternoon, and the temperature starts to fall just a little bit as the wind cranks up. There is Futurecast, and we go cloudy tonight. Watch the clock here. This is later, early tomorrow afternoon, and then after 1, and then in through tomorrow evening, here comes your sleet, your freezing rain, and rain, eventually just going to all freezing rain. This is pretty much all freezing rain, and then it will change to rain from south to north with time. So by the time we get to 3 a.m., the very far north will have a little bit of freezing rain left over, and the rest of the area is warming up, and we'll just have a few showers and drizzle and the fog around. But in terms of ice accretion, ice accumulation on trees, power lines, things like that, you know, it still looks like the greatest accumulation will be north. Like up here, Rochester, Logansport, Monticello, Rensselaer, Kentland, Goodland, Remington. Lighter amounts in the south, but everybody gets a little bit of glazing ice. The best chance to get 1/10 of an inch of ice, or maybe 2/10, is north in the viewing area with a 34 on Friday. Got to watch that Saturday system for icy mix in the north, rain south, and then perhaps icy mix and snow early next week, and a little more snow at the